Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add reminder to your Google Calendar. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here in Google Calendar and then just click here create. Now here you're gonna see reminder, and reminder, don't forget keys. And then you get the reminder if you want to repeat that on daily or all day or whatever, and then just like click save. And here I have it, so I can like move it, everything, like it's really simple, really easy, and that's pretty much how you do it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.